This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at Google Live View or Google AR, which is augmented reality. We'll talk about what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. If you haven't heard about augmented reality, basically what it is that it is reality with a little extra. All right, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So right now I'm going to go to Google Maps and I am going to go to, let's say, this place. Okay. Now what's going to happen here is that Google Maps Live View will only work if you're walking or not driving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the directions and then you'll see the 16 minutes for driving, hour and 21 for a bus or something like that, and 2 hours and 32 for walking, right? So I'm going to do walking just so that I can show you the live view. It's going to take me 2 hours and 32 minutes. I'm not really going to do it, but you're going to see what's going to happen here. Okay, so there it is. It shows that I should start walking in this particular direction. There is a couple icons on the lower right hand corner, and the lowest one in the right hand corner, and that is the Google Live View, which I'm going to press. Right now you'll see that I have my camera facing out to the street, and you'll see that there are a set of arrows that tells me exactly where to go. So let's say you're getting off a train somewhere in a new city and you're like, you really have no idea which way you need to go. You're walking. This is a nice little feature. It will actually use landmarks and you're able to figure out where you're going. I think some people will find this easier than just seeing street names and pictures of a map or something like that. So right now I can actually see it says I should go toward US 441 south. Let's say I go to the left, right? I'm gonna go against what it tells me to do. So it keeps changing directions. You'll see the arrows telling me to go in the correct direction if I'm moving in the wrong direction. So let me turn around and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, now I'm moving in the right direction. Now here's another interesting little feature that you're gonna see in just a second. Now you have to understand right now that as I'm walking, I'm holding the phone straight up, like you're video recording something. If you hold it flat down like this, you're not gonna see anything. You're just gonna see the maps like you normally do. But I'm gonna pick it back up now, and there it is again. And I'm walking against where it's telling me I should go. All right, you're gonna see little warning signs that says be safe, pay attention to your surroundings. So what they're saying is don't just stare at your phone and walk out into the street. I am walking closer and closer to the street. Let's see what happens. It blocks out. So even if you are looking at your phone the whole time, which you shouldn't be, it will stop you if you're walking in the street and you're not looking. All right, leave your comments and questions down below. Otherwise, have a great day.